Hi there, traders. This is the daily rundown. We're going to take a look at the Euro USD, the USDJPY, and the Aussie USD. These guys all have interesting setups that we may be able to profit over in the short term. The Euro USD, it's all about location. This pair likes this spot. 9 days, it's been between the 38, let's say 38.60 and the 37.75, well, 37.80 level. And the pair has just been bouncing along inside this range. We're going to need to see a break one way or the other in the short term. So at this point, though, as long as the pair stays above the 137.75 level, it does favor a continued push higher, which also coincides right around with the 50 fib of this move higher. So as long as we stay above this pair, above this level, I would continue to expect to push higher above to the 139 and then ultimately towards the 140 level. At this pace, it might take 2-3 years, but the trend is for a continued push to the top side. The next pair we're going to look at is the Aussie USD, because this pair has had a little bit of movement, and it's a bit interesting that the cross is moving down. It has broke below the 93 level, and now we're coming towards the trend line, which is right around the 0.9230 level. Now this is going to be the do or die level. If we when we get down there, you can see that this pair has been riding this trend line higher since the beginning of the year, so it could be a great opportunity to buy this cross at that level, looking for a continued push higher, unless we're going to see a trend of a reversal of the entire trend. If we get a break, then of course this resistance level comes in 0.91 and 9165. So this is going to be a do or die right here, 92.30, and there's a good chance that we're going to have buyers emerge at this level looking for a continued push higher in this pair. Now the USDJPY, on the other hand, you can see that this pair, after moving higher, has found difficulty at the 50 fib, which is at 102.71. So now we're going to watch this 102.71 level, see if we can get some momo to the 102.71 to see if we're going to get a pushback below this ascending trend line, which is about 101.80, but more importantly, a break of this resistance zone. That's what I'm watching. And the 101, if we get a break below the 101 level, then all bets are off, and we could see a measured move lower after after that. We can see if we break below that level, we would be messing with this move higher, and we could see a push back down towards the 97.50, and maybe even a retracement of some of the broader move that we had after Abenomics was announced. And this will all have to do with data coming out of Japan. If we're going to get a continued break of that level, it will be a reflection of the lack of further stimulus, which has already been announced, and maybe with the savings rate going up higher with the CPI rising. Anyways, that's what we have today. All these charts are available on the blog. Sign up today. You can get access to the Keen feed. And everybody, good luck trading.